All right, so language explorers, let's look at today's Tuesday verb. So cross, cross, cross. Here we are, like crossing the road, yeah. To go over something to get to the other side. This side to that side, cross. I will cross the road. He is crossing the road now. Yeah. He crossed the road easily. Easily. How are you going to cross the sea? How are you going to cross the sea, the Atlantic or the Pacific? How? How are you going to cross these fields? There's no entrance, there's no exit. How can I get across the field? How can I get across the field? Yeah, how can I cross the field? Yeah, how can I cross the field? There's no entrance, no exit. The walls are too high. There aren't any entrances or exits, and the walls are too high. High. I crossed the street easily. She is crossing the ocean now to be here. Here. Who is going to help you cross the river? Yeah, that river is going to be hard to cross. It is very strong, and the waves are high. How can we cross the river? Yeah. There is a clever way to cross it, though. There's a clever way to cross it, though. Yeah. Very good. Yeah. So yeah, cross. So, how cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use cross in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanshev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.